Good morning, children. Welcome once again to my English online class. Previous class, we started one beautiful story. So, what was the story name? The old woman. No, that was the happy old man. The story name was the happy old man. What was the story about? In short, once again, I'll revise, children. One day in a kingdom, one king was there. One day he wanted to see how his people are living their life. How they do they have any complaint, or are they happy in their life? So he rode on his horse along with his servants and all. He started roaming in his kingdom. So everywhere he went, all people, they were complaining about something or other. At last he found one old man. What he was doing in hot summer sun, what he was doing, he was digging some land and he was putting mango saplings. So normally mango saplings takes 8 to 10 years. So seeing the old man putting the saplings, king was very surprised. So he came down and he asked, why you doing like this? He said, whatever fruits and all I enjoyed in my life, that was planted by my forefathers, means my grandfather and their fathers. So now I want to do for my generation, my children or next generation. So that's why I'm putting, I know I won't live for so long, 8 to 10 years, I won't live for so long to enjoy the fruits. I'm doing this for my next generation. So king was very happy. At least one person he found out in his kingdom who was happy in his life. So when he offered some help, can I do something for you, for the old man? What he answered, no, I have small land. In that I grow food that is enough for me and my family. I am happy in my life. So it's a big lesson he gave, that whatever we have in our life God has given, we should be satisfied with that. 2 mains also we completed, children. Choose the correct answer and true or false. Do you remember? Every day you do the exercise with me, children. So next one, what we'll do? Next, what I'll do, see, page number 15 you see. Page number 15 you see. Now do the exercise with me. So what is the question here? See, Ramu looks tall. Write the opposite there. So the full thing no need to write. I will write the underlined word along with that. What is the answer? I will write. You see here, first main, it is one. What is the underlined word? It is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. So this word opposite means reverse meaning. We should write. So on the dash, what you should write? Strong opposite. We write weak, W-E-A-K. Like this you write. Full thing I'm not writing, in your textbook only. Number 2, mangoes are sweet, but lemons are what? So what is the word? Sweet. Opposite I should write sour. S-O-U-R, sour. After that I will read the answer. Okay. Number 3, you see. This insect is alive. It is not dash. Alive opposite is dead. So, what is the underlined word? Alive. You write here dead. D-E-A-D, dead. Number 4. I have long hair, but my sister has dash hair. So, long opposite is short. Long, L-O-N-G, long. Opposite is short, S-H-O-R-T. So, this is the underlined word. This is the opposite word for this. Number 5 is, I am happy with my marks in English, but sad with my marks in math. So, happy opposite, sad, you know that. Number 5, happy. Opposite you write, sad. Number 6, our ancestors only I told you, our father, grandfather, great grandfather, like forefathers, another word is ancestors. Our ancestors are called, no, this one 6 opposite I'm saying. No, my grandfather is old, but my father is young. So this one you see here, old is the underlined word. You write young, Y-O-U-N-G. Okay, now with answer you read, you will understand. Ramu looks strong, but Somu looks weak. So strong opposite is weak. Mangoes are sweet, but lemons are sour. The insect is alive. It is not dead. So I have long hair. My sister has short hair. Next one. I am happy with English mark, sad with math mark. My grandfather is old, father is young. So like this also you can learn. In rough note also you can write like this. This is the word, these are the opposite words. So one more time, strong, weak, sweet, sour, alive, dead, long, short, happy, sad, old, young. Finished? Now next we'll go. What they gave? Fill in the missing letters, children. So they have given some clue. They have given some clue and missing letter you have to write. So this side I'll rub. Second main I'll do here. Second main, fill in the missing letters. So second main, what is the question? A hot season, and what the missing letter they have given is dash M dash dash R. So they have given clue hot season. What is the answer then? With S, U you write, M you write, E write. SUMMER, summer you will get. Okay, but it is easy only. Number one is summer. Hot season means summer. A farmer works here. Number two is farmer works here. So what is the clue? F is given dash 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 D. So you write F I E L D. So farmers work in field. Number three. What is the clue? A baby plant is sapling. So what they gave? They gave S dash P dash 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 G they have given. You write SAPLING. You will get sapling. A baby plant is called sapling. The word used to address a king. I told you majesty. So number 4 is majesty. M also should be capital. M dash J dash 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 Y they have given. You write M-A. J already is there. E-S-T-Y. Majesty. Last one is number 5. F is there. It's a long word. F is there. Dash dash E-F they have given. Next. One dash, once again T. Then 3 dash is there, no place, I'll have here. 3 dash and S. So our ancestors are called forefathers. So what is the answer? 4. F-O. R-E. This is 4 means before spelling, children. 4 means not number 4. F-O-R-E. 4 fathers. F-A. T already is there. T-H-E-R-S. 4 fathers. So with clue, once again I'll say a hot season, summer. See the spelling S-U-M-M-E-R. Number 2 is farmer works here. Field. F-I-E-L-D. Baby plant. Sapling. S-A-P-L-I-N-G. S-A-P-L-I-N-G. Next one. The word used to address a king, majesty, M-A-J-E-S-T-Y, majesty. Number 5 is our ancestors are also called forefathers. What is the spelling? F-O-R-E-F-A-T-H-E-R-S. So this one finished. Next we'll go to third main. This one write correctly. Only on the dash which letter I've written, that only you write. Others it is in your book only. Next one you see, number 3, this is also, you should use I-E or E-I. These 2 letters you can take to make a meaningful word. So what is the clue they have given? F they have given it. So this one you already know, field. So I should take I-E. So we should take only these 2 letters and we should write the word. So I you write, E you write. On the dash I and E, you will get filled. Next is there, receive, R-E-C. Now I can take this, C-E-I. Write neatly. You will get receive, to get something that is called receiving. Next one, P is there. You can write I-E. I-E. You will get piece of paper, we say that one. Next, F-R is there. You know this one. You have many friends. F-R, I-E, you write. I-E. You will get friend. Next one, V is there. You write this one. V-E-I-L. Veil means what? Sometimes to cover your head, no? Girls, they put something like dupatta, something they to cover the head. That clothing piece only, veil. That is only veil. Next one is deceive. You write D-E. D-E-C already there. You write E-I. You write E-I. You will get deceive. Deceive means cheating, not telling truth. That is only deceive. Relief. Next one is, here also I-E you write. I-E. You will get relief. Sometimes you are suffering something, no? You take medicine, you will get relief. Some comfort you will get. That is called relief. Next one, belief. B-E-L-I-E you write belief. Belief means trust. You believe something, that is belief. So what is the word you see? F-I-E-L-D, filled. R-E-C-E-I-V, receive. P-I-E-C-E, peace. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. V-E-I-L, veil. D-E-C-E-I-V, deceive. R-E-L-I-E-F, relief. B-E-L-I-E-F, that is belief. Next menu you see, children, page number 15 only. You have to see now. So this side I will draw. Now see, page number 15 only. Use of articles. Now see, when bridge course I taught you know what is article. Articles means what? A, and, the. These are all articles. What it is? Articles. Okay. So A will come with these are all single object. For the single object we say we want to talk about only one, like only one ball or one apple. So one sun. So like that, only for one object we use articles. Consonant word means A, E, I, O, U, 5 vowels are there. Apart from that, like B, C, D, all consonant word before we write A, and will come with vowel. This is about that only. Articles, okay? Now see what you should do here. Use of articles. See the heading? Use of articles. One easy way I'll tell you. Let me rub this side. I'll be confused. Only within the you see here A, first one A and dash they have given. Number 2 and they have given one dash they have given. Number 3 A they have given. Now see the bracket. 2 words are there. Good. One word. So one consonant word they have given, one vowel word they have given. Only that much you have to see. O-B-E-D-I-E-N-T. So this word is consonant word. G is consonant. This is vowel. But here A they have given. A will go with consonant word. So if it only that much you see. A you see and find out consonant word. You write good. Understood? A good child. Full thing I'm not writing. Only you see. This is consonant word. With A, consonant word will go. Next and. So in bracket you see. First one is consonant word. Bright. Second word they gave air condition. Air condition. Okay. So here and will go with vowel word. So vowel word means what? Air condition. So you write that one. Air condition. That word you write. Next one. Next third also consonant word you should find out is nice. It is given. See, nice or interesting. So here A is there. You should find out consonant word. Right? Nice. Understood? Next one. Turn the page number 16 you see now. Similarly, you do the same thing. You have to see, find out vowel words, find out this one, consonant word. That's all. Next, you see, I have written children to save the time. See here, once again, same thing. You just see, and means I have taken a vowel word. Then this is A, so I have taken consonant word. Next, number 6, and vowel word with an. Once again, vowel word I have taken. A is consonant word, simple, and express are long. So this much you understood. If you cannot write in the small space, you just take the option. Like this also you can do. You just take it. So like this also you can do. Express and it is long. Understood? If you cannot do in the small space. So next we'll go. The next main I'll go. It is about second main it is. It is about future tense. So what it is future tense, I'll tell you now. Suppose you are doing some work today. Tomorrow you want to do the same thing. Suppose I am going to school today. Tomorrow I will go to school once again. So how to do? You have to add one to make future tense. Simple future tense. When you do the grammar book, no details I will teach you. Now for this textbook, this much you understand the simple future tense. Future tense. Now this tense means it is related to time. Means one work, action word you are doing now, or you will do next, or you have done already. So this is about what you will do next. That is only future. Future means not yet happened, it will happen next. For that we normally we add will. This one we add with the main verb. With the main verb. This is the main verb. Before that we use will. That's that much you understand. Grammar book details I'll teach you. Okay. So exercise we'll do now. See here. Number 1. Only answer I will write. Tomorrow I dash my room. After I, one dash is there. So what will go with this meaning? You can write anything. Tomorrow I am giving my answer. You can write anything else. I am writing. I will clean my room. So will I should add with the main verb. That's all. Main verb before you write will. So meaning should be there. Tomorrow I will clean my room. Number 2, I'm writing another one. I dash all my friends to my birthday party. So I will call. You can write will is constant. It is common. Will call. C-A-L-L call. Third one you see. The children dash at 6 a.m. Will get up. Will is common. W-I-L-L. Will get up. Get up. So will is common. Get up. Number 4. Geeta dash a new dress for Diwali. Geeta will wear. So will is common. W-I-L-L. Will wear. W-E-A-R. Wear. New dress. Number 5 is, so will is common, W-I-L-L, will. What is the main verb? I dash the homework tomorrow. So homework means will do. Do the homework tomorrow. Understood, children? So tomorrow I will clean my room. I will call all my parents, my friends to my birthday party. The children will get up at 6 a.m. Geeta will wear new dress on Diwali. I will do the homework tomorrow. So this much. Next one, what they gave? So that. So that means they to say some purpose of our action. Something I do, what will be the purpose? Why I am doing? For that we use one phrase that is called so that. Okay, so this much I'll drop. This is the last exercise, children. So English portion is more, little every day you watch the class, children. Don't skip. Otherwise you'll miss something important. So next one, so that. What is the phrase we should add? So that. So one example they have given, I go to bed early so that I can wake up early. Means why you are going early bed? So that I can wake up early. Understood? Now, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'll do for you. So number 2 is, so we should use this phrase. This is third main. This is page number 16, children. Page number 16 I am doing now. So, 2. He is at home so that. On the dash what you should write? That only I am writing. He is at home so that he can. So that already is given. Only on the dash you write. He can play games. Anything you can write should be meaningful. Next one. I start early so that I can reach early. So third one is I can reach early. I always capital. You should write. Don't write small I. I should be always capital. I can reach, R-E-A-C-H, reach early. Number 4. 4 is I work hard so that I can earn more. Otherwise you write I can get good marks. I can get good marks. Good marks. Okay, next. Last one is number 5. So what is the question? We practice the game so that we can win easily. We can win easily. E-A-S-I-L-Y. Okay, next few words are there. You have to just read for with me. Weak, leak, peak, big, speak, hear, tear, ear, fear, tear, rare, bear, gear, wear. So one lesson I have completed. One that exercise also have done. Homework I gave last class, I think. You keep and practice. Try to read. Okay, thank you, children. Have a good day.